Welcome to our video on the most common home design mistakes and how to fix them. Designing a stylish and functional home can be challenging, and it's easy to fall into common traps that detract from your space's overall appeal. In this video, we'll take you through a list of mistakes many homeowners make, from the wrong furniture scale to neglecting lighting and functionality. We'll not only highlight these pitfalls but also provide you with expert tips to rectify them, ensuring your home is both beautiful and livable. Let's dive in. 1. Choosing the wrong scale of furniture. Selecting the right size of furniture is crucial to maintaining a harmonious interior. Imagine trying to fit a grand piano into a tiny studio apartment. It simply overwhelms the space. Similarly, opting for oversized couches or tables in small rooms can make them feel cramped. Conversely, tiny furniture in a large room can feel lost and inadequate. To avoid this, always measure your space before purchasing furniture and consider scale in relation to the room's dimensions. A well-scaled piece should complement the room without dominating it. 2. Ignoring lighting layers. Lighting isn't just about illuminating a room, it's about creating mood and functionality. Many people make the mistake of relying solely on overhead lights, which can cast harsh shadows and flatten a room's depth. Instead, embrace the concept of layered lighting. Incorporate ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a balanced and inviting space. Think of it like a symphony, where different instruments come together to create harmony. Use table lamps, floor lamps, and sconces to add warmth and dimension. 3. Overcrowding rooms with too much furniture. A room filled with too much furniture can feel suffocating and chaotic. It's like trying to navigate through a jungle of objects, leaving no room for movement or relaxation. To prevent this, prioritize essential pieces and allow for breathing space. Think of your room as a gallery, where each piece has its own place and purpose. This approach not only enhances the room's aesthetics but also improves its functionality, making it more inviting and comfortable. 4. Poor furniture layout and flow. The arrangement of furniture plays a significant role in how a room feels and functions. Poor layout can disrupt the flow and make a space feel awkward. Imagine a maze where you have to navigate around obstacles just to reach your favorite chair. To ensure smooth flow, consider the room's focal points and arrange furniture to promote easy movement. Use area rugs to define spaces and create pathways that guide the eye and foot traffic seamlessly. 5. Using too many bold colors or patterns. While bold colors and patterns can add personality and vibrancy to a room, overdoing it can lead to visual chaos. It's like wearing too many statement pieces at once. They compete for attention rather than complementing each other. To strike a balance, choose a neutral base and add pops of color or pattern strategically. Consider using bold elements as accents, such as throw pillows or artwork, to create interest without overwhelming the space. 6. Neglecting the functionality of spaces. A beautiful room lacks value if it doesn't serve its intended purpose. It's like having a sleek sports car that can't start. Before diving into design, consider how you use the space. Are you creating a home office, a cozy reading nook, or a lively family room? Each function demands different considerations. Tailor your design choices to enhance the room's usability, ensuring it supports your lifestyle and needs effectively. 7. Not considering the room's purpose. Every room should tell a story, and understanding its purpose is key to effective design. Imagine trying to cook in a room meant for meditation. The mismatch would be evident. Whether it's a tranquil bedroom or an energetic playroom, design with intention. Consider factors like comfort, accessibility, and ambiance. By aligning your design with the room's purpose, you create spaces that resonate with their intended function. 8. Using too much matching furniture. While matching furniture sets promise cohesion, they can also result in a monotonous and uninspired space. It's like wearing a matching outfit from head to toe. It lacks individuality. Instead, mix and match different styles, textures, and materials to add depth and character. Think of it as curating an art collection, where diversity creates interest and intrigue. This approach allows your personality to shine through, making your home uniquely yours. 9. Not paying attention to proportion. Proportion is the secret ingredient to a balanced and aesthetically pleasing room. Think of it as baking a cake. Too much of one ingredient can ruin the recipe. A large piece of art over a small sofa or an oversized chandelier in a modest dining room can throw off the balance. To achieve harmony, consider the proportions of furniture, decor, and architectural elements in relation to each other. This ensures a cohesive look that feels just right. 10. Forgetting about storage. A lack of storage can turn a well-designed space into a cluttered mess. It's like having a beautiful garden overrun with weeds. To maintain order and aesthetics, integrate smart storage solutions into your design. Consider built-in shelves, multifunctional furniture, and creative storage hacks. By prioritizing storage, you make room for both style and practicality, creating a space that's tidy and functional. 11. Overlooking the impact of flooring. Flooring is the foundation of any room and sets the tone for the entire space. Imagine wearing mismatched shoes with a stunning outfit. The disconnect would be stark. The wrong floor choice can clash with your decor and disrupt the room's harmony. When selecting flooring, consider factors like durability, maintenance, and style. Choose materials that complement the room's design and enhance its overall aesthetic. 12. Not considering lighting design in detail. The lighting design goes beyond simply installing fixtures. It's about creating an ambiance that elevates the space. Imagine a theater without stage lights. The performance would lose its magic. Consider the placement, intensity, and style of lighting to enhance your room's atmosphere. Use dimmers, LED strips, and decorative fixtures to add layers and drama. By thoughtfully designing your lighting, you can transform a mundane space into a captivating environment.